Hello my lovely friends, I'm back with a new stationery haul video. I got this huge beautiful box from StationeryPal in this back to school season. StationeryPal was kind enough and gave me $80 worth of stationery which I've picked from their website. As we're in the back to school season, we have arranged a little giveaway for you all. If you want to join in this giveaway, all the details are given later into this video and in the description as well. If you want to buy any product from StationeryPal, you can use my code tritopusjournal, which will save you 12% from your whole purchase. But if you buy in this season, that means in this back to school season, you'll get 80% from your whole purchase. This is the second time I'm collaborating with them, and I always love how they pack the items with care. Let's start unboxing this wonderful stationery box. StationeryPal always sends some freebies which I absolutely adore. First, I got this little white teddy bear and these little cute hats, this paper clip. I think I have 2 of them now. And there is a new freebie that I got is this astronaut keychain which I can hang on my backpack or my pencil case. While I shop on stationery websites, I always look for pens first because I draw a lot more than doing any crafts. So let's just open my notebook and swatch cards for the year. I'll quickly swatch everything to show you the colors. The first item I got is my favorite tombow fudenosuke hardtip brush pen, which I use in everything for drawing and lettering and etc. It has this hard but a little flexible brush tip which gives us more control and precise line of this pen because it's rich black color and also it doesn't bleed at all. In the next, I got these 2 pentel fudetouch brush pen which have very flexible and soft brush tips. I chose these baby pink and sky blue colors. I have a few fudetouch brush pens in bolder colors and I like the quality of these brush pens, so I got these 2 to try out a more highlighted colors for my bullet journaling and note-taking stuffs. So I think I would enjoy these pens as well. I chose 2 maroon and red shades from individual tombow dual brush pens in shade 757 and 847. Tombow duals are always in my arts and my bullet journaling doodles. The brush quality and the ink are really amazing. They seem very expensive, I know, but I think they're worth it. So I always try to save my money for buying new tombow dual brush pens. While selecting these products, I have found that I never used any alcohol-based markers. So I chose this Tombow ABT Pro pen, which has both of the brush tip and marker tip. I chose this sand color, which I think I use the most. I think I like this pen a lot and I'm going to use for my art, not for bullet journaling of course because alcohol-based markers bleed a lot, so I'll use them in the separate arts. I got this pink metal tweezer which has this curvy side. I always struggle with my washi tapes and stickers to put in my journal while filming, so I think this will save my stickers from draining. Next thing I got were 2 sumiko gurashi sticker books. I'm going to flip through the full notebook one by one, and if you're not interested to see the flip through, you can skip to the next section. I got 2 sticker sheets in my last package and I love them so much. So I thought I'd like to get the sticker books this time, which have various collection of stickers than one single sticker sheet. And I also like that they give some labels, some sticky notes, etc. into this sticker book, which I can use in my daily journal or in my planner, and I think they look very cute. I always like to color different texture papers, so I chose this craft paper bundle where we have different types of textured papers. Like this has this sprinkled paper, then some sort of tissue types of paper. I'm not sure which these things are actually called. Actually, I forgot them, but I think you can see what I got in this bundle. I chose this pure color sticky note, which I can use as bookmark or smaller sticky notes in my journal or in my planner or in my notes. If you know me, you know I like neutral colors a lot, so this thing absolutely goes with my style. This clear floral deco sticker bundle looks very realistic to me. I always collect different types of flowers and press them to use in my journal, but I do not like bumpy texture in my bullet journal sometimes, so I think it would be a great thing for my bullet journal setups. But it's okay when I use them in my daily journal or when I actually love to texture my bullet journal a bit. I saw this huge vintage sticker book in their website, which has different options, like I can use them as background for the crafts, bullet journaling or layering. There are some numbers, butterflies, flowers, etc. These stickers are not cut for us, so we need to tour the page and cut according to our needs. I like how functional these stickers are, and I like the vintage vibe of this whole book. So moving back to some more markers and brush pens. I got my first zebra mildliner set. I never purchased one because I think they're a bit pricey than they're worth it, and I'd like to save my money for tombow duals instead. So as I got them for free, I chose the new neutral color set to try them out. Let's quickly swatch them out in my swatch card. I like the highlighted colors a lot. I think this is a good back to school product for your notes. They have two tips. One is the marker tip and another one is smaller fine liner tip. I like how this marker tip is very small and it's very useful when you're swatching it over your handwritings. I also like how these colors are very fine and very neutral, and also it's in the highlighting colors. I chose this foldable storage box in beige color. I wanted to get multiple of these storage boxes, but I thought I should get one at first, and if it becomes helpful, I'll get some more of them. These boxes can be stacked on each other as well. The next thing I got here is the most expensive thing, which is the secondary color palette from Tombow Dual Brush Pen. I think in this palettes they used to add the color blending brush pens, but in this new version they added more colors and excluded the blending brush pen. I also got these papers as a freebie which came along this set. The papers are very good quality and it's thick enough. Let's quickly swatch everything out. I already have this sand color, but I think I used it the most previously, so it's a plus for me. Here comes some washi tapes that I selected from their store. I got this sticker backing craft paper roll which has smaller grid patterns on it. It's a bit difficult to save the backing of that clear tape, but I think I did my best. I can use this as the background in my journal or cut them according to my need. I also got two polka dot washi tapes. One is brown and another one is pink and gray. I like to decorate empty spaces with these dots in my journal. I had the bigger ones earlier, and for smaller ones I had to cut them or cut any printouts that I use very often, but now it's going to be very easier and useful thing for me. So the last thing I got is this clear plastic washi tape dispenser. You can buy multiple of them and stack over one another. I only got one to try them out. Maybe later, if I found it very helpful to me, I'll buy some more. There are two types of cutters in this washi tape dispenser. One has the bigger waves and another one has smaller waves. I can adjust it as I want. In the end, I would like to thank to StationeryPal for sending this lovely stationery in this beautiful box. And thank you all for watching till the end. So here's the announcement of the giveaway. To join in this giveaway, all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel and StationeryPal's channel. Follow me and StationeryPal on Instagram, which is optional, but you can get more updates from us over there. And comment down which is your go-to stationery for everyday life. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.